In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to save Canva design as a Word document. First of all, you need a design to save as a Word document. Here is my design. I will save this design as a Word document. First of all, click on share, then download the design. File type, choose PDF standard. Then click on download. Successfully PDF file downloaded. Then open Microsoft Word. Open the downloaded file. Select the downloaded file and open it into the Microsoft Word. The Microsoft Word now convert your PDF file to an editable Word document. Click on OK. Now click on Enable Editing. Click OK. The Microsoft Word converted Canva design as a Word document successfully. You can edit anything. Now you can edit anything. You can edit your name, anything you can edit. And now you have to save this file, save, and save the file as a Microsoft document. Thanks for watching this video. If this tutorial is helpful, please subscribe our channel.